Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV!
However, you're a delusional Batman who's confused, who don't know who you are, bitch, you're a jandom. She's gonna treat all y'all people the same. I wanna keep on not getting it. I wanna feel like say, oh, people bad mind. I bad mind this bitch for what? This bitch not have nothing. This bitch don't have nothing. First of all, this bitch come from asylum. She has sell pussy in a park. She don't want to go to school. She don't do nothing. A bitch who is non-ambitious can never cuss me because you don't do nothing with your life. Bitch, you don't got nothing going on for you. You can never cuss me. First of all, I can talk about my dog. One blood clot in me, I tell bumba, pussy, bumba, blood clot, you this big stinking nasty girl. You see me with my dog first, I don't get dog. Whenever my motherfucking dog is hungry, God bless who can give me and who wanna give me. But let me tell you, dirty bitch, this. If no bitch on Instagram do not give me any money, or if my ask the cash up and they don't give me because me never give nobody nothing to put down, and nobody is obligated to give me anything. Bitch, you feel like bitches is obligated to you. No bitch not obligated to me. That's why when a girl bring them out to me, I bring back my mouth to them. Cause a girl not obligated to me, I'm not obligated to no big pussy girl. You is a big pussy, dirty batty man, is a faggot, is a mama man, is a dirty batty boy. Your mama pussy curse when you come up for me. You can't cuss me, I cuss my dog. My dog have a parent. Do your dog have a parent? Bitch, I don't even have a blood clot father. Me have a father. You can't cuss me. No girl can't cuss me about tin food and cuss. Cause you're 69 cent body no make no sense. The bitch is a 69 cent girl. No 69 cent and a 99 cent girl can't cuss me. Cause Keke, you don't live life yet. You don't live blood clot life yet. Bitch, you're a local domestic bitch. Bitch, you fly around in America. You don't even fly around in America. You fly to one place, only LA and back right here. Bitch, I'm international. Bitch, I'm an international motherfucker right here. I'm the bitch that you want to be. I'm the bitch that you want to be mother friend with. I'm the bitch that you want to be friends with. I'm the bitch that you live in your dream. I'm the bitch that you see when you close your eye and when your blood clot wake up. I am that motherfucker. You ain't the bitch that motivate me. Bitch, there's nothing about your life. Bitch, I felt sorry for you why I became friends with you. You can't cuss me. You have dog shit, bitch. You have gump on bottom of blood clot shoes. Keke, you eat a girl. I'm bitch. We can't do this face to face. We can't do this on social media because bitch, you don't have nothing where you say can't move me because you're dog shit, you're garbage, you're the cookie monster, you're trash bin, you're garbage, you're rat, you're pestilent. No big drummer blood clot, batty rat can never talk to me. I want the blood clot you, batty fancy cat, eh? I want your batty fancy cat, eh? What you hear about? You can't play with me? Are you stupid? Batty fancy cat, cause you're not a man, you're not a woman, you're a batty fancy cat. That's what you are. Bitch, I'll take off the fancy, you're a batty cat. You're a batty cat. How about that? And some else no batty cat can never argue me. Are you stupid, bitch? You idiot? You can't ramp with me? I come talk and call Fabian. Don't call Fabian name out of your shit, because Fabian don't like you. Don't call Fabian name out because Fabian don't like you. I say, when Fabian hear me, I rub your blood clot. Fabian keep on telling me, why you arguing with this broke bitch, this nasty fucking nasty faggot? Yeah, you a nasty faggot for real, because you could have never talked to blood clot me. Only you never liked your ass. Nobody likes your motherfucking ass. I was the only motherfucker that none of these bitches could say nothing to me about you. And I friend you was a nasty bitch. Which I can't talk. Keke, you stink. Just stink. With your nasty ugly self. When I say you're ugly, you're depressed, you're sad. Bitch, you can't bring your blood clot, bad energy, your body problem, them come put for me. Bitch, you hate yourself, you're sad, you're miserable, you're depressed. I am blessed and your blood clot curse. You can't play with me, dirty girl. You not come to your curse for me. You can't cuss me or say nothing to me. So when you beat up your chest, you're going on judgment patrol, I bring you. Like say, use that girl. You are not that girl, so you need to stop chicken. I mean, I talk it clear. I'm not busy, nobody want blood clot here. Judgment patrol need to stop bringing you like you're that girl, because you're not that girl. You are not that girl. You're not an ambition. You're not no flaws. You not have nothing about you. You're just a big nasty Batman. You're a careless big Batman. When you have no youth, when you have no ambition, you have no subject, you have nothing. Even a higher blood clot powers and higher standards. And as I said, TikTok, Instagram has nothing to offer to motherfucking me. There's bigger things out there in life, and I see blood clot higher lifestyle, and I want that. Me not need to come second on account of basic bitch, and a basic bitch can never play with blood clot me, but bitch, I will take it down to your motherfucking level for fucking put you back in a box and ship you back to China. Cause bitch, you're moving like a Sheen product. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother, Keke. You can't play with me, bitch. You can't cuss me. Keke, I will tell my blood clot cripple. I'm a blood clot sick. You can never cuss me, bitch. I want my back turn and me eye them like so. I mean, I know when me a blood clot, go you can't cuss me because you Google, you garbage. Bitch, if you play with me, I'm spray with peer beer gun and make you just a flip, so. Bitch, but I'm done with your flip, so. Bitch, but I'm done with your blood clot, it's like a fish out of water. You can't play with me, so good, girl. Eh? You come talk like you feel like you can come cuss me. Eh? You feel like you can come cuss me, you feel like you can come talk me, you feel like you can push me up or talk to me and shut me up. Bitch, me shut up you. But me tell you already, I'm talk again, bitch, I'm done with blood clot. You can hide your blood clot, ugly self. You can hide your body, vampire, body cat, blood clot, ugly, miserable self. Go suck your mother, judge. And Crossy Stevie, make sure you catch this. Big up yourself, Crossy Stevie, and you will say, yeah, Crossy Stevie and Baga TV, and them me I run with. Go suck with the mother, any other bitch, but blood clot them. You're not nobody. Bitch, you don't make no sense. You're not nobody. You are nobody, Keke. You get it? You are nobody. Just like your parents is nobody, your bloodline is nobody, your DNA, your generation, everything about you is nobody. Your mother made you. The fact that your mother gave birth to you fuck up the whole generation and bloodline. You are cursed. Your mother bringing you curse the whole generation and whole bloodline. You can never cuss me, bitch. You can never. Keke gonna do something with your life, bitch. Everything I'm gonna cuss you, I'm gonna cuss you with ambition, I'm gonna cuss you with talent, I'm gonna cuss you with blood clot. If I have morals, if I have blood clot principle, if I have blood clot standards, and that I'm gonna beat you and class you with. You can't cuss me about blood clot food, because food is not my issue. Food is not my issue. If I want food, I know if you keep on talking about hungry. You, see that you can't cuss about none. You try to cuss about the man. You try to cuss about the man who sleep with me every night, and the man who love me. And bring me seafood, take care of the dog, spend days with him dog, do things with me, kiss up my body and do things. That's the man you cuss about. You cuss about the man where if I call him now, I say I'm hungry, I'm really sick, I'm not feel good. Girl, if him never want to talk to me for the other day, the baby want me to go and bad pan the boys, he never dare talk to me for the month, so what the problem? Him talk about to me, nobody dare talk to you. Man not like you, man not, if you first of all, when you're there, man, yard, man, not even want to come up. Bitch, do you see yourself? Bitch, have you, Keke, me know. I'm going to put fun and joke aside. I know you look into the mirror every motherfucking day. And you hear to yourself, I'm going to understand, girl. If I was you, and I look like you, I sounded like you, and I smell like you, I would have hate myself and hate everybody to a start problem. I understand, but baby, you need to go talk to Jesus, ask Jesus for turn your life around and do something with you. Because I know it's hard for people like you. Because I know, girl. Girl, I know it's a lot of filth inside of you. I know it's a whole heap you go through. I know you're girl, I know you're butter. Girl, I can see it in your face. I can hear it in your voice. I know you're suffer, you're butter. You can't, girl, where you go cuss me and tell me, girl, where you cuss me and tell me, say, nothing where you cuss me, say, it's feeble story. Not a regret for cuss me with facts. Cause me think like what me a cuss you and tell you say I fucks me I tell you you one dirty batty man. You're nasty. You're dirty people. You're not an ambition. You're not a morals. You're not a standards. You're not a blood clot principle. Go suck your mother. You can't class me. Non blood clot, no substance, and blood clot, and success, and achieving bitch. Girl, before you cuss me, you need to go to school and get some subject, get a certificate, get something done, do something with your life. Bitch, you get a bitch. Even get a certificate, get a blood clot security certificate before you can cuss me. And not for only night blood clot comments know this. When you keep on come for me, I'm gonna come clown me. Me and this bitch is not the same. Me no walk and put up blood clot wish list. Me no blood clot walk and sell pussy. Me no thief, none of that. If I do come on my Instagram and say me I beg Twitter, I'm supposed to beg blood clot cash up because guess what? The same money they make I eat my blood clot use and promote my blood clot music and promote my merch. Because only is not buying my merch and my stuff, so I have to promote it to Americans to get my stuff. So if I come and I beg sponsor, it's only to add to my blood clot music. Me not beg food, I beg nothing. Only come beg for only come for beg for get drugs and liquor. None of them girls never buy me a grocery. Nobody on Instagram never buy me grocery, never buy me a furniture, never buy me nothing yet in my present and in my house. Because everything what me want, I know I can go to my mother and I can go to my grandmother. So what are you trying to say, dirty bitch? Huh? What are you trying to say, faggot? What you trying to say you can't cuss me? None of every other say none of them girls. Every girl will come and come cuss and talk about 20 aside. It's a lie. Me give you no money. Nobody can talk like come cuss me like how them cuss and tell me say they you walk and borrow them money. You walk and them in them kitchen. I believe you because you girl walk and you licky. And you walk and fling bout her because I saw you stay from Jamaica. You box bout girl. You come go up and blood clot But life, come on and come talk to me like you can talk to me nice. Bitch, if you talk to me nice, bitch. Go suck your mother, my body nice and I rice and my price higher than blood clot rice. Go suck your mother. No girl will feed, no First of all, oh, you can argue with me when you don't have fight with demons and eat with demons. Bumbleclad, you're the only Batman I see will get up and cook 12, 1 o'clock, 2 a.m. at night and eat some big plate of rice and be demons and eat with the demons in your belly. I'm not enough for una blood clot so she cook some late or some 1, 2 and some trip. I dirty people that she eat with dopey. Up here dopey in her stomach and her pussy. So also for cost me, bitch, me have the light, I have the darkness. Fuck with my blood clot, me shine the blood clot. God's light for your nasty evil. You look up blood clot, Harry Potter chambers of secret, dirty blood clot, nasty Batman. Play with me, Batty Cat. Play with me, Batty Cat. Play with me. Play with me. Play with blood clot me. Cause you must feel like say me I'm not a blood clot friend. I turn around and say me I'm not a blood clot friend. Me not afraid of none of uno. Me turbo. What me do this from bitch? When me do this, me never see you. When me do this, I'm me alone. Me never see none of uno. So when I come feel like you can't touch, you can't touch me. Me head kicking me mother than blood clot. You me mad. Bitch. Me so blood clot man. Until the devil want to argue with me. Cause suck your mother. Fuck you come talk about. No, it's not about I don't make you laugh. Caribbean views. This bitch feel like she can't come cuss me. Are you stupid? Batty Cat, are you stupid, Batty Cat? Batty Cat, you come call. Don't call Fabian name out of your blood clot. Mocha Fabian an utter expert. Bitch, right now you call Fabian name. I should have charged you. You should have put. Right now you call Fabian name. Right now you support you call Fabian name out of your mouth. We should have charged you for blood clot that you broke, bitch. So we know we're not going to get the money because you're broke. You're hungry. I'm not going to say you're hungry because every girl hungry. Them sick of me. Let me explain to Uno for Uno know why me and her fall out. She kept disrespecting Rihanna. Rihanna apologized about the situation. She kept disrespecting the girl. The girl get over it. The girl start talk her mind. She started to cuss Rihanna, cuss her back. When Rihanna is angling her, she wanted me to turn on and disrespect Rihanna. I am not like that. I will not disrespect a person that disrespect me. I've been and tell people all this time. If you're not disrespect me, I'm not disrespect you. I'm a very cool person. I'm cool. This look a nasty bitch. I'm for cuss Rihanna for no reason. I'm saying I'm not cuss Rihanna. Then she started to turn for me, make her people them will follow her turn for me and tell like people like Judgment Patrol and some other people come chat up to me like say, oh, I have a rifle. I'm not gonna cuss the blood clot Rihanna. So I'm turning and cuss this bumble clot bitch. The fuck do you know? And she come talk like say she feel like some I'm look a pussy. Go suck your mother. You come talk to me like I feel like some look a pussy. Don't play me no bitch. Fuck you bitch. You come talk to me go suck your mother. You want Batty Cat. You understand? I don't do stuff to that. I'm a fair person. I don't do stuff to people like that. Rihanna has never disrespect me. Rihanna is the kind of girl, she give me my respect. She deal with me. My old chumble, I say, hey, dirty big but nasty girl. If she take it personal, I say, no, I mean it. Rihanna never give me no, we are like, say, oh, she like that, or she my enemy, or she fuck with my enemy, them, or she not give me no two-sided cutlass. Keke has proven me over and over and over numerous times that I cannot trust her. I cannot fuck with her. She's a fake bitch. She's untrustable. She's unworthy. And anybody that support that fuckery, me's a fear bumbleclap. Me's a fear nigga. I am not fake like every one of y'all motherfuckers. Cause all of y'all motherfuckers on Instagram is fake. From the blog up site them to the fucking fake. I am not fake. That's why, man, a lot of people do not like me. A lot of people do not support me. Because I do not kiss ass. I am not a follower. I'm gonna do all this. Fear is fear. She keep on and disrespect the lady. She keep on and disrespect Rihanna. Rihanna is not a person like that. Rihanna not even did mention this little nasty bitch. First of all, you can talk about you don't fuck with me and Keke. First of all, I heard what you said about me. You on phone talking about me because she said it. You're on phone talking about you don't like me. I don't care. You don't have to respect me. I don't have to respect you. I do not care. As I said, you don't gotta fuck with me. I been know you don't fuck with me because I been heard you on phone talking about me because I never know you call people on Instagram talking about people you like from who you don't like. That's fucked up. You're an older lady with kids. You should not be calling other people about other people's kids and not tell people who you like from who you don't like. And it's not lie. You did it for true because the person she talk loud and clear. You said it. I don't care if you don't like me. I am fair. I am not fake like Uno. A fake bitch not gonna like me. My mother. This is what my mother tell me every day. Bitches who are fake and bitches who are fucking stupid and under the table and in the closet and that, them not gonna like me. Bitches who are real and straightforward will fucking deal with me. Y'all can't deal with blood clot me because of the fake and the love. Slump on Instagram, call people, talk about people, text people about people. I don't give a fuck. I do not care. You don't have to like me, baby. You don't have to like me. You don't have to like me. You don't have to like me. You only prove to me that you did talk about me on the Instagram call. That's what you only prove. By you coming here and writing that, you only prove to me that you did was talking about me. You don't have to like me. You don't have to like me or respect me. I don't know you. You don't know me. You never do nothing for me. I never do nothing for you. You don't owe me no obligation. I'm not wearing no blood clot obligation neither. I want to you. I want the blood clot to you. Listen, I'm not in an argument today. You never like me stick with Keke. Them stay over there. So you know, just don't talk about me and no call. They're not have to, yeah, I don't really care. I'm not even read your comments them. So as I say, guys, Rihanna, she was on my live. And I don't deal with disrespect. Rihanna never disrespect me. I'm a person. If you show me respect, me share back respect. I'm not going and disrespect people because you have to respect your elder, you have to respect people. Them gay people like Keke them. If I'm telling you, I'm gonna say this to all of Uno, and Uno might not believe, but you never get to see. Keke is the kind of person when she cannot get nothing from somebody, she's gonna disrespect you. It takes nothing for her to flip on Uno the same as how she flipped on us. It takes nothing. That's what I'm telling you. Say instead of only give people the money what now do not do no life, only need to support people who have business, people who are trying to go to school and do things. I don't take money I give people like Keke them and people who are thief and that. It don't make sense. And then when people are talk about their fucked up, only in the comments I defend them like say what they're doing is right and the kind of lifestyle them live is right. Only I make them feel like say them right for what them do. And I don't stand for that. I don't live for that. When it comes down to Jeremy and a lot of people that do fuck, I don't stand for that. I don't care if bitches don't like me. Because when it's a fake bitch, I don't like fuckery. I don't like fuckery. That's why I don't like me. I don't care. I don't like fuckery. I don't like fuckery. I'm a friend fucker people. The fuck do no. No girl never put on a pot for my blood clot stove. No girl never buy me no furniture. No girl never blood clot send me the money I do not for me. No girl never buy me no plane ticket or no. So the girl can't come drape me up and come talk to me no type of blood clot here. And whosoever who done those stuff for me, that's never disrespect me and talk. So they never like me. They don't talk about me in Instagram calls. They don't be texting a bitch that I don't talk to anymore that I said is fake and talk about me. I don't care. All your comments that you're saying, it doesn't matter to me. You can say all of your sin. You said what you said and I read it. You don't respect me. You don't fuck with me. Fine, keep it like that. I have nothing more to say to it. Only prove to me that you did say what you said on the call. That's all I needed to know. I have nothing more to say to you. I'm not going to argue with you. You're older than me. Why would I be disrespecting you? You're like my mother's age. I don't need to argue with you. Yeah, me argue with stinking Keke and any bitch who want to defend it. You like to use people and when you cannot give her nothing, she feel like say she can rate it. I don't fuck with, as I said, me and Boss Lee are the difference because I'm sexy glamorous, we talk about it, me leave it alone. Me don't need for cuss with Boss Lee, me don't need for disrespect Boss Lee. Leave it. When I say Boss Lee I cuss her, I say yeah. Because guess what? She know she didn't use Boss Lee and Boss Lee get for sister, she's a fake nasty batty man and I see what the all I wanna get for realize say I saw she stay. As such a bomber clad stay. I don't argue with nobody. As I said, I want person to come for address. And anybody that want to defend her and defend it, I can go at it with them. As I said, all the bitches that don't fuck with me, get in the line. I don't give a fuck. I just glad that I know all the bitches that don't fuck with me and I'm cool with it. I'm not mad about it. I'm not mother. You know, bitches don't get it. I am motherfucking Ashtray, man. I am Jav. This motherfucker, this tall, sexy, handsome, big cocky motherfucker, do not give a fuck. Cause when, but I'm sure the same as when you click off this motherfucking live, you don't give a fuck cause you got your family and everything. When I click off, I don't give a fuck cause me I'm a dog, me I'm a son, me have a lot of motherfucking other things. Me have songs I write, me have music video for them. Just the same as how you don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck. Them give a fuck. This is their life. I just saw them make for them money. I saw them get for eat. Me not get for eat, yes, I saw Keke get for blood clot eat. Right now I'm matching blood clot man because guess what? She lose vastly. She have got to think, oh, she can get her next guy. Right now, you got to see, oh, any girl we have cook right now, I cook her food. Any girl, when she say I cook food, I have nothing to figure. She go see how she and them turn blood clot for that. She roll on ups in her blood clot. Them and stop go she and them a big friend, she and them a sister. A dirty girl, she walk and beg every blood clot. But You can say you give me money when you not have no money. Or if you give me money when you not